What's up guys, Nathan here. Welcome to my channel. Do you guys remember those goals or resolutions you guys made back at the end of 2017 for 2018? Well, as we're about a week into 2018, I thought I would make a video on how you can continue to work towards these goals, even if you're demotivated to work on them. So today I'm going to give you 4 tips on how you can continue to work towards these goals. Tip number 1 is to simply tell somebody about it. I find it so easy to it's so much easier to work towards a goal or to get something done if you have an accountability partner. This person will motivate you to continue to go and will kind of also guilt trip you when you are demotivated and you don't feel like doing it. Tip number 2 is to write it down if you haven't already done this, and put it in a place where you're going to see it on a regular basis. So whether that's the bathroom mirror or at your computer desk or by your bed, somewhere that you can constantly look at and remind yourself what these goals were that you had that you wanted to accomplish for 2018. And by doing this, these goals will be solidified and written down somewhere and not just in your head, so that if you don't reach those goals, it won't really matter because you didn't write them down somewhere. But now when you actually see your goals written down on paper, it's going to motivate you to work harder and work towards these goals. Tip number 3. A lot of the goals that we made for 2018 were so drastic and so wild that it's going to be difficult to achieve them. And this can actually demotivate people to work towards them because they can seem so unachievable that there's no point in even trying. But I'm saying that you should try and you should work towards these, but in small steps. So if your New Year's resolution was to maybe write a book or to become a better writer, you can simply start by writing a page a day. That's not very hard, although it can be difficult, but it's a lot more of an achievable goal than writing a whole book. So if you start with these goals and start working on them in small steps, over time, you'll look back and see the progress you made, even though at the time it doesn't seem like you are making too much progress. But in the end, once 2018 comes to an end, you look back and see how much work and how much progress you had in working towards these goals. And finally, tip number 4 is to start working on it today or even right now. I find that a lot of people, and myself included, these goals that I had or even tasks that I want to accomplish in that day, I'll say, ooh, maybe I'll do them tomorrow. But the problem with tomorrow is it never comes, and therefore these goals or these tasks I wanted to get done, they don't get done either. So if you start working on it right now, you can be that much closer to achieving your goals. So those are my 4 tips, guys. I hope you enjoyed them. And if you enjoyed this video and want to hear more, don't forget to like and subscribe down below. And if you have any comments or other tips that you can think of for motivating yourself to work towards these New Year's goals, I'd love to hear them in the comments down below. Thanks, guys.